do.
Coming in your ass.
That's all you do is edit your old videos, cleaning up the pads.
Hey guys, it's Grunt, and welcome to this is what we're unboxing today. So here's the power brick and the power adapter. Oh, what's this? Another piece of heavy metal.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going.
So right now, what Cameron is doing is he's snapped together our surface, and he's bolted together the base. And that is the base in its upside down position, and he's bolting it together for stability so that way it can't come apart very easily. And when you put it together, there will be wooden knobs that connect the desk. I highly recommend you use a rubber mallet, and you be very careful, yes. So right now Cameron has placed the top of the desk and the bottom of the desk on top of each other, and then he's gonna hook the top and the bottom together. And then the other steps that are left is mostly just the motor, with the instructions. He had to do a little bit of guessing about what to do from, what was it, step 5 to step 6? Yeah. He's gotten our metal bar laid out in the proper spot. As you can see here, desktop, metal bar, these little boys. Right here is the strut. That's what he's screwing down currently. There's 2 spots on the inside where he screwed it in, and he's going to do the same once he lays down the secondary strut. See, the desk is already much larger than what I previously had. Right now he's just finishing up the setup, and once he's done with that, we'll show you guys just how tall it can get.
That's the max height right there.
Wow.
That's literally standing. That is so much room too.
Is there any more setup, or is it time for the finalization of adding all the beautiful stuff to it? But now we can go ahead and cut to when everything's all set up on here, guys, and we'll go ahead and talk about this product.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, that's why I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. Nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper, been all for the ways, but everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves, with everything to prove. Now it's going how I see it through my lens, but it's stuck in my head. I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way. I'm trying to feel the I get. I've lost somewhere in my head. I've been at it all on my own, holding tight to the patch. I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met.
Overall, guys, I'd give this desk a 10 out of 10. I think that it's fantastic. I don't see a reason to upgrade from this desk. Beautiful, wonderful rising desk, as you guys just seen there. I couldn't be more satisfied with this product. For $280, it's pretty steep, but I think that it's well worth it. It's really high quality, really well put together. After I've gotten everything all set up, it looks really nice. If you guys want to get this desk, I'll put a link down in the description below to the desk that I bought. This is looking pretty good, other than me being a floating head because I decided to wear all black. Golly. Anyways though, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that sub button right there, as well as all that other stuff, you know, like the like or whatever. I appreciate you guys. We're on our way to, I don't know, 150 subs. I'm gonna get out of here and get this up for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then,